Hello, today I'm trying to be a gamer, and I don't know if it's going to work or not, but whatever, I'm going to be a gamer. And obviously I don't have an expensive gaming recording bobo, so I decided to go with what I have right now, which is my phone camera. So if you can see me, I'm very sorry. It's messed up, I'm very sorry. But that's your fault for not watching my videos so much that I don't get paid to afford things like that. This is going to be really annoying because like I'm going to be wasting my time playing this game when I could have, oh my god, I could have been doing something else. You know, I just check if there's cars here. No, there's no cars, so I guess if I'm going to rob something, I better have a getaway. That's okay, we'll just go get one then. This shit looks pretty dead anyway, so, oh, we'll get this car. Hey, nice car. Bye. Okay, we're gonna go rob the store now because why not? And I'm broke. Actually, I don't know much. Oh my god, is someone coming to rob me? No, why are you robbing the store and I'm gonna rob the store? Get out of the store. This is also my first time having GTA Online, so if I don't know what to do, then that's not my fault. Oh my god, the police are already after me, whatever. Hurry up, or I will shoot you, I swear. Oh my god, that's so much money, I'm so excited, that's $22,000. Oh yes, I can buy my car back. I can buy my house back. So $25,000 on a car that I didn't even, on a house that I didn't even need. I'm really annoyed that I can't give that money back. Anyway, my house is here, oh my god. If I go on them and they can't get me. Oh no, that's a property for sale, never mind. I don't know, how do you tell where your house is? Because it won't let me know where my house is, so what? Anyway, I'm just going to keep on driving down here. Yeah, cruising down the alley. They're coming for me, oh no, I mean obviously they're coming for me. I robbed $22,000 out of a bank. Crap, they're that way too. Oh, they're everywhere. Okay. Why would you do that? I just robbed a bank and you're supposed to be my team. Against the police. Whatever. Tried to rob a bank and what happened? Someone steals me stuff. Okay, anyway, so this is obviously really bad quality. What's this thing over here? There's a little X. I want to go see what it is. Hello, my cat's here. Yes, there's a little X there and I want to go see what it is. And if it's really bad quality, don't blame me. I just told you why you should reconsider that. I'm just kidding, I'm not asking for money. No, pretty much am. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna say some things about me. I feel like everyone should know while I'm doing this. I like expensive houses. I can't afford expensive houses at the moment though because I'm talking really fast, aren't I? I am. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. Oh, you don't do that. Okay, so some things you should know about me is I have a really messy room right now. Actually, not that messy. Okay, whatever. So my things that, hey, look at my room. Anyway, what you should know about me is that I like to play GTA pretty much and Sims, but I don't have a PC for that. That works good. So yeah, that's the first. I don't have a PC that actually runs it. I had one, but then it didn't run it very well and just died a lot. So that is no problem I have here. I'm gonna go rob more stores because that's the funnest thing to do. Okay, so that is one thing. The next thing is, it's way too far away, stop. No, we're not going there anymore. Next thing is I talk really fast. I'm like James Charles II. I also forget what I'm saying most of the time. And yeah. Anyway. Okay, someone wants me to, oh my god, I want a heist. I haven't been in one before. Kid, what have you done? You knocked it down. Now come see what I'm doing. Yes. Why are you kidding me? Rich man. Wait, bug. Sorry, my cat is in the way. I'm the host of... that's not what I want. Why do I only have $22,000? I went through the heist, but apparently no one's going to involve... Oh, dear. You're in my way of the phone. Now can I see what I'm doing? What is it? Are you still recording though? Yeah, maybe 5 minutes and 8 seconds. I'm back again. Please don't pop my ball. Okay, so anything else that you should know about me? What else is there? I like to watch Vines a lot. I also like to quote Vines a lot. I also love to rob stores on GTA, of course. And that's what I was doing, but I got interrupted by someone trying to ask me to go into a heist, but then I never got invited again. I'm really annoyed because I like heists, but I can't go into them because no one's inviting me to it. So I'm really salty about that. Anyway, we're just going to keep on driving. Oh no, I just realised I can't actually go through here. Whatever, we're going through here anyway. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What do we have here? I'm naked. Just kidding, I'm not. I don't know if I want to go steal a new car in there. Or not. I don't want to actually, because I'm always on my way. I'm already on my way. Also, I want a quick tour of my room. My, what you can see behind me is my bed. I pulled it apart because I didn't like it, and I also pulled my desk apart so I could put my TV on there so I could play my game. My cat likes to go on my vanity, which is right next to me. My bears are over in the corner where I do my makeup and film my other video, the how to dry skin. It's up there, by the way, if you want to go do that. Siege Mentality V. The holdouts have to so 4-minute siege in a P.O Box hill. Okay, well, I want a gang attack. That's so cool. Sorry. Oh my god, I hate when they do that to me. I'm just trying to drive and all you do is just crash my car. Okay, well, please do not try and kill me right now because I'm just trying to get through life. I'm just trying to get to the store, I mean, lol. Because I like to rob things. Anyway. Someone died and... Wait, what do you do that for? Oh, someone's making out. Oh, lol. I think anyway. I just realised you can actually probably kind of see. Yes, let's just shut everything up. They just disappear. I'm so confused. Why did they disappear? Do I just have to get the full amount of cash? Oh, you can use only $1,000. I thought. Oh wait, I just realised. Whatever. Okay. On to the next store now. Bye. Why are you behind me? Get out of my car. Why are you standing there? Whatever, I want to shoot you, so yeah, okay. Get out of my way, I can't see anything. The Liquor Stores Club, it was recently closed. It was recently robbed, but will soon be open soon. I robbed it. I hate my car. I only have a 2 thing for robbing this store. It's so cool, only 2 stars. I didn't even have to kill anyone. Oh my god, please don't find me. Oh, they're right behind me. They're right there. They know me. They know I'm here. Okay, we're gonna go over here. To the hills. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, let's go live on this sandy hill. Whatever, I'm gonna go on my way, making my way downtown. Gonna rob a bank. Yeah.